Morning, everybody, and welcome to the News Hub. I'm Simon Constable. We have some developing news from Wall Street. Remember those allegedly dodgy mortgages from Countrywide? Well, they are likely going to cost the Bank of America up to $17 billion to resolve. WSJ's Andrew Grossman has the details and joins us from Washington. Andrew, thank you for being there.
Hey, Simon.
This is an awful lot of money. We're talking about the dodgy mortgages, the subprime loans that were maybe not as good quality as they were allegedly there. What is the news?
Right. Well, what we're talking about here is largely the securities that those mortgages were packaged into and sold to other investors. The news here is that DOJ, the Justice Department, and Bank of America are near a deal that would have the bank pay close to $17 billion to settle some of these claims arising from that pre-crisis conduct. About $9 billion or so of that would be in cash penalties to the federal government, to states, some other governmental entities, and then the rest of it would likely be in consumer relief, write-downs of principal for struggling homeowners, that sort of thing.
And our understanding is that the Bank of America stock is actually kind of like investors are somewhat relieved at this, even though this is an enormous amount of money.
Right. I mean, we think some of this was probably baked in. The shareholders are looking to get this behind them. The bank CEO, while it is a lot of money and they wanted to pay less, the CEO, Brian Moynihan, has said, this is the last of the big pre-crisis era legal bills that have so far totaled up to tens of billions of dollars for Bank of America, so that once they get this behind them, they shouldn't have to worry about this overhang, is what they say. We'll see if that holds true.
Now, Andrew, a deal has not been inked yet, so this, theoretically anyway, could actually fall apart.
It could. There's a tentative agreement on sort of the top line numbers, the ones I just talked about. The lawyers for the bank and lawyers for the Justice Department are still hashing out the details, things like what exactly the bank will be in the statement of facts that the bank signs, what sorts of things they get credit for in the consumer relief portion of the deal. Those things are still being hashed out, and if they're not hashed out to the bank's liking or to the Justice Department's liking, someone could still blow up the deal.
Now, one of the other things is that their total out-of-pocket money could go to $23 billion. Explain the difference there.
That includes some payments to the FHA for some other mortgages that or some other mortgage-backed securities that the bank sold. So that's just another settlement that's wrapped in here.
Wow, it's a lot of money.
That figure. It is a lot of money, yeah.
Yeah, a lot of money flying around all on this, and all because of something that happened a very long time ago. Thank you very much, Andrew Grossman of the Wall Street Journal.